You are welcome to provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to power t plus 5 to power t. This is equal to 100. So what is the value of t? Now, solution from here, we have 5 to power t. It's common here, so we factor out 5 to power t, so that we'll have 5 to power t, then into bracket 1 plus 1. This is equal to 100. Now here we have 5 to power t multiplied by 1 plus 1, this is 2. This is equal to 100. Let's divide both signs by 2, so that now 5 to power t, this is equal to 50. To solve for the value of t here, let's introduce the natural logarithm on both sides, so that we have log 5 to power t, this is equal to log 50. Now, log 5 to power t, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, this is the power rule property of logarithm. Applying this property, log 5 to power t becomes t log 5. This is equal to log 50. Let's divide both signs by log 5 here, by log 5, so that now t is equal to log 50 divided by log 5. The next step here, we can express 50 as 5 multiplied by 10. So substituting this here, we'll have t is equal to log 5 times 10 divided by log 5. The next step here, log 5 times 10, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. The next step here, applying this property, it follows that log a times b, this is log a plus log b. Applying this property, it follows that t is equal to log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. In this case, let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies, so that here we'll have 1 plus log 10 divided by log 5. The next step here, we can express 10 as 5 times 2. So let's substitute this, so that we'll have t is equal to 1 plus log 5 times 2 divided by log 5. So this follows that log 5 times 2, this is in this property. Applying this property, then we can express this as t is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies. Then t is equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So in this we have t, in this case we have t is equal to 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus log 2 divided by log 5. Now, log 2 divided by log 5, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Now, let's apply this property, so that now t is equal to 2 plus log 2 to base 5. Now, this is the value of t. This is the value of t. Now, let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Let's verify that the value of t, which is 2 plus log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 5 to power t plus 5 to power t. This should give us a value of 100. Now, from here, 5 to power t is common here, so we factor out 5 to power t. So this is 1 plus 1 and this is equal to 100. So here we have 5 to the power t multiplying by 1 plus 1, this is 2, this is equal to 100. So let's divide both signs by 2, so that now 5 to the power t, this is equal to 50. Okay, so this is 50. Let's substitute the value of t here. So we have 5 to the power t, which is actually equal to 2 plus log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. The next step here, you find that 5 to the power 2 plus log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which we can express as a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m. Applying this exponent property, it follows that we have 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Now 5 to the power 2, this is the same thing as 25. So here we have 25 times 5 to the power log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Now 5 to the power log 2 to base 5, this is in the form of m to the power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So that implies that 5 to the power log 2 to base 5, this essentially is supposed to give us a value of 2. So let's substitute this. Here we have 25 times 2. They should give us a value of 50. 25 times 2, this is actually equal to 50. And that implies that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And this implies that the value of t, which is 2 plus log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.